everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it's another experimenting with colors. So today I decided to create this little blue-green eye look right here on my eyes. So if you want to see how I created this, then keep on watching. But before we get in, a couple of housekeeping things. You already know what you need to do. You want to come to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit it. Click that bell, getting the notifications when I post new videos. If you want to see when I post, make sure you drop it to all so that you can get all of the notifications when I post new videos. And then click that like button, letting me know that you like my content, and then comment below on how you feel about this look. Is it something that you would do yourself? So without wasting any more time, let's get into this little tutorial. Alright, so I'm going to be creating this kind of blue-green eye look. So I'm going to roll with my Morphe Dare to Create palette. This is the 39A. And I'm going to start. I'll start with my BH Cosmetics brush, my favorite brush. I'm going to go into I think I'll go into this shade right here. Oops, let me get the camera frozen. I'll go into the shade right here, and then I'm going to put that as my transition. Okay, so next I'm going to go into, I think I'll go into this green shade right here. Get that in the camera. So yeah, I'm going to go into that green shade right there, and I'm going to put that right below that. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with my other BH Cosmetics brush. I think I'm going to go into this deep blue right here, and I'm going to deepen up the crease. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with that first brush, dip back into some of that green, and kind of blend all this out. Alright, so now I'm going to take my crease brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to go into both colors and go on the outer portion of my bottom lid. Okay, so now I'm going to go off camera, put on my glitter primer, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I put on my glitter primer on my eyes, and so now I'm going to go back into this big kahuna. So I think I'm going to go into, I'll go into that shade right there. I'm going to put that on the outer portion of my lid. Put that in my color switch. And now I'm going to go into this beautiful green shade right here and put that on the inner portion of my lid. Okay, so now I'm going to take my lovely Morphe E36 brush, go back into that green, and fill out the inner bottom lid. So I feel like this needs a little more of a pop. So I think I'll take this is my Morphe M124. Put that through my color switch. I think I'm gonna go into this nice little aqua color right here and pop that in the middle. So I'm done with that one. I'll clean that off. And I'll go into my Duo Highlight palette. I'm going to go into my Morphe E36 brush. I'll go into Double Take and put that in my inner corner. So now I'm going to go off camera, finish all this up, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed me creating this really pretty blue-green eye look. I felt very inspired by, sadly, thought of mermaids, but I also thought of the ocean with the blues and the greens in it. So that's what kind of really inspired this eye look. So before we go, you already know what you gotta do. Click that subscribe button, hit that bell getting the notifications when I post new videos, and click that like button letting me know that you like what I've created. So hopefully you enjoyed this, and until next time guys, deuces.